In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Wayfair custom cabinetry and save a cabinet design you like. Start by opening Wayfair custom cabinetry in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This helps you move through the options more confidently and makes the browsing process much easier. Next, browse the available cabinet styles. Look through the different design options and pay attention to the overall appearance of each style. Some may feel more modern, while others may have a more classic or traditional look. As you browse, think about which style best fits the space you have in mind. It can be helpful to focus first on the general look before getting into smaller design details. After that, view the available colors and finishes for the cabinet styles that interest you. This is an important step because color and finish can completely change the feel of a cabinet. A lighter finish may create a brighter, more open appearance, while a darker tone can add warmth and depth. As you compare options, try to picture how each one would work with the rest of your room, including walls, flooring, and hardware. Once you find an option you like, check the cabinet details carefully. Review the product information to better understand the construction, features, and any specifications shown on the page. This step is useful because it helps you confirm that the design is not only visually appealing, but also practical for your needs. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion later. Finally, save your preferred design. This makes it easier to come back to the option later without having to search for it again. Saving your selection is especially helpful if you're comparing multiple cabinet ideas or planning to make a decision after reviewing everything more closely. That's it. By opening Wayfair Custom Cabinetry, browsing styles, reviewing colors and finishes, checking the details, and saving the design you prefer, you can quickly narrow down your options and keep track of the cabinet look that stands out most to you.